What's going on, guys? Back with another video. Today I'm gonna make we're gonna try to make a sissy bar for the Lowrider ST. I started it about a week ago. I made up some mounts, so I didn't really record any of that, but I'll try to walk you through the process of what I was thinking. So I pulled the bag brackets off here. And I made up a cardboard template initially of what I wanted the sissy bar mount to look like. So I had, test fitted it up. Was pretty happy with how the cardboard template was fitting up, and I took that, drew it up in CAD, and actually sent it out to Send Cut Send. Had them make up 2 mounts. So today what I'm going to try to do is take these mounts. I went and picked up some round bar from Lowe's, probably way more than I'll need. So the brackets were, I think, like $24 or something like that, cut out and shipped. Pretty thick steel that I did, but I definitely wanted something solid. Also, the way that I'm thinking with the thicknesses, I wanted it to be nice and tight on the existing bag bracket mounts. So you can see this is just about flush, which should snug everything up nice once it's on the bike. So those brackets were about $20 something. All the steel I bought today from Lowe's, $41.08. So I don't know, $70 at max, I think. I'm just gonna end up spray painting it black. I'm not too worried about getting powder coated right now. Maybe in the future I will get it powder coated, but for right now I'm just gonna spray paint it, get it on the bike. I have a matching Saddleman sissy bar pad that I'll get on there. I might do a little bag shelf on the back side. We'll see how it works out.